Welcome to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to go in great detail and talk about one of the upcoming NFT play to earn games that I feel that has got the potential to really make waves in the NFT industry. I'm going to go in great detail and talk about the utility of this particular project and the team behind this particular project. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. The actual NFT project is called Animera.world. I'm going to put the link of it in the description below. You can head over there and check it out. Search for Animera, which is built on the Unreal Engine, is an NFT powered journey of interplanetary quest and exploration. Now I'm going to go in detail and show you the complete breakdown of why I personally feel this particular NFT that is worth investing in. Now, looking at the actual breakdown of this NFT and the description that the project has given is that the year in 2020-30, humans have advanced in technology and they've set forth to explore a new galaxy called Nubera, a much larger galaxy than the Milky Way with a dual star solar system where two stars orbit around each other, creating a large circumstellar habitable zone. As a result of its unique properties, there exists 5 habitable planets rich in minerals, ores, which can help sustain and create a massively advanced future for the planets. Looming deep within these planets is a cave which holds the answers to everlasting life and abundant resources that will give a unique power to anyone who uncovers these caves. Each cave is known as an Animera, which has just been a legend on these planets until one human finds the first key to locating the mystical cave and thus starting the search. I love the fact that they've given a backstory for the actual play to earn NFT, and for that reason I'm going to give them at least a 8 out of 10 because it's very clear what they plan to do. We understand what the NFT project is about, we understand what they have, and you can read more over here. By clicking over here you can read more, so I definitely feel that is a good strategy that they have kept, and for that reason I've given them 8 out of 10 over here. Belong in the Nubera galaxy. So they've given a breakdown of the NFT. So this is a collection of 10,000 futuristic alien and human characters, and each NFT has its own strategic advantages based on its attacking skills, crafting potentials, and nearby raw materials. So the utility of the NFT is available, so they get marks for that, and each NFT can be transformed into one gaming character, which is very good. They understand what they want to do with NFT. They have clearly visibly shown what potential the NFT has, with which users can embark on a journey of interplanetary quest, exploration, power struggles, and endless battle. So we know what is going to be used for, and all the character traits and attributes will be generated randomly and revealed after the public sale. So if they've given exactly what's happening, how the NFT is going to function, what will be the use and utility of this particular NFT, and they've clearly displayed it. So this shows the project owners, the project developers understand how they need to move forward, from the skin minting and the trading, from the staking, from the discounted loot boxes, from the token airdrops, from the DAO meetups, from the crafting new NFTs, and royalties from the mint trading fees is available over here. So for this section, I'm going to give them a 7 out of 10. The reason why I want to give them 7 out of 10, I feel they can add more information, and that will be my recommendation to the project owners to put more information for potential NFT buyers. Moving on to the about of the games, this is one of the modes that they're talking about: the Explorer mode, the story mode, and obviously the player versus player battle mode. Now, I feel the way they've given information over here can be a little bit better. They can make it a little bit more interactive, and for that reason, I think this is going to be a 5 out of 10 because I think they need to improve this particular section. This can be done a better way. I think this is rushed by their developers. So definitely go back and redo this section again, because this is an important gameplay mode that needs to be described in detail in regards to Explorer, and it should not be done this way. I feel it is sort of rushed and it needs a better, unique approach to it, because the overall way they've established their project, the way they've displayed the information is quite good. So this is something that is lacking that particular extra competitive touch to it. So this is basically, they say that the Animera is an upcoming interplanetary quest, exploration, crafting game built on Web3, releasing on PC in 2023, which needs to be highlighted over here. The game will allow users to fly smoothly from deep space to 5 unique planetary surfaces without any loading screens and explore an infinite procedural generated galaxy. So this is something again that needs to be elaborated on to actually explain what this is and why this is very unique. Now, looking at the characters over here, I felt the characters, they've done a good job because they've given a complete breakdown of the different characters that you'll be looking. What are the characters? What are the common traits? What are the rarity of it? And obviously this this is one of the reasons I feel they've done a good job. Reacted, I think they need to put the pictures over here. If they have, it's not showing up, and that is something that lacks. The first picture is showing up, but the others isn't. So this is definitely something that's going to take some marks off them. And for that reason, I'm going to give them a 4 out of 10 for this, because obviously these are the characters and they need to show the characters, because that is the whole element for the NFT. So definitely they're going to get some marks over here. So again, I will suggest to the actual developers to go back and make sure all of this information is shown properly. But I like the way it's shown. I like the way they've broken down, and that's what reason I'm going to give them a 4 out of 10. But they lose mark for each one of them over here, because they need to show each characters and give it information for it. They just can't rush and put to be revealed soon, because that is something that doesn't work, because there's a lot of NFTs that are available. And if they do that, then they will lose a lot of customers, lose NFT enthusiasts that are looking for good projects to invest in. Now, looking at the roadmap. Now, the roadmap is one of the most important documents that are available. And looking at the way they've done it, I like the way they have established it, the way they've developed it, and the information that they've put is more targeted, it's more precise, and comparing it to the big names in the industry, either be the Bored Ape Yacht Club, Meta Avatars, Beans, or Invisible Friends. I like the way for every quarter they have actually given a breakdown, and it flows with the website, it flows with the project. So I will definitely give them at least a 9 out of 10 for it. The one mark I take off is for the lack of information. It's enough, but I feel that they need to take it a notch better. They need to make it a little bit bigger to make sure that people can read it easily, because obviously the color scheme behind and the front is not that good. And if you compare to other NFT projects, they've done a better job at it. So, but generally it's good. I like it, but they can definitely have room for improvement over here. So the roadmap covers most of the aspects. It shows what the project is going to do with the initial game beta release, from the token launch, from the build release as well, and the future. So generally they cover all the major aspects for it. Now, looking at the team for anime as well, again, I like the fact that they have gone in detail and they've given actually the whole element and strength of the team. So this is an Animera team which is composed of 10 plus talented individuals with experience in digital video production, game development, and blockchain application development. Full marks for that. They need to do that. They have shown they have the ideas, they have the potential, they have the experience. We also have a strong core team, which is very good. They've mentioned that with experience in building and scaling global communities for traditional tech and crypto native projects with strong background in business development and digital marketing finance. Full marks for that, 10 out of 10. Good job. And some of their engineers have a vast experience in building AAA grade games, as well as some have solo developed their own indie game in the past. I will give them 100% 10 out of 10 for this, because they have given all the information very precisely, and they've shown the individuals, and they've put proper pictures, and they have their social media links located with the individuals, so you can search for them yourself to see who these individuals are. Job well done for the team over here, 10 out of 10, because majority of the time and different projects don't do that, and they lag over theirs and they lose marks for that. So full marks for them, for their team. They have a strong team, from their content lead, from their co-founders, from their developers. I think they definitely have done a wonderful job in actually getting that experience across to the NFT buyers and enthusiasts. Now, the council members also is quite good, but I would like for them to put the picture over here of the individuals, not just a random picture over here from the project, because we need to see who these individuals are. But they've put their LinkedIn, you can check them out. They've given a small description of who these individuals are and where they work. So full marks for that. But I would take some marks off for the fact that they have not given proper pictures, real pictures. I'll give them an 8 out of 10 for this. For the social media handles over here, they have their Twitter, they have their Instagram, they have their YouTube, and they have their GitHub. The only thing that's missing is the Discord. Please do add the Discord. That is my advice to the team members. So if they add the actual Discord, then they would definitely get a 10 out of 10. Not having a Discord is going to take at least 2 marks out. They'll be getting an 8 out of 10. So generally, overall, I personally feel that they definitely need to have a better element over here to get things running in a proper way. Like they mentioned over here, follow the anime game on Twitter to stay tuned about the Discord server launch. It's coming soon. That should not be there. That should be above over here. So definitely move that from here. It should not be here. And that is something they need to work on immediately to get it. The questions need to be better. The answers need to be more in detail. I feel that they actually need to work on this. This seems a little bit rushed. They need to give more attention over here, definitely. You can subscribe and put your email address. I think generally they've done a good job. So overall, looking at the NFT, it's got the potential. They understand the strategies. They've got the team over here. It does lack from a element of execution, but the idea, the way the NFT utility is, how they will go about doing it, it's a strong team. So definitely this should be on your list of NFTs to buy in the future. And that is one of the reasons I'm going to give this particular NFT at least a 7 out of 10 on our list. If you want to look at different NFTs and play to earn games, you can head over to our channel, The Educational Network, and check them out. You can also subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. Do let me know if there's any other NFT or play to earn games that you want me to cover. I'm going to put the WhatsApp group link in the description and on my about us of my channel. You can join it so you won't miss any of the upcoming videos and obviously news about what's happening in the crypto world, so you can make an informed decision that's based on knowledge, facts, and figures and not on emotion. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.